Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's Dollar Tree DIY is this shabby chic farmhouse coffee table. So first off, I want to talk to you guys about how you can actually get cash back by ordering in small bulk on DollarTree.com. So this video is sponsored by Topcashback, and they wanted me to share with you guys how you can order online and actually get cash back. So you can sign up with Topcashback, and all you have to do is go in through your Top Cash, and whichever store you want to shop at, it will automatically bring you there and start tracking how much you spend to give you your percentage of cash back. So today we're shopping at Dollar Tree, and if you didn't know, you can go right online on Dollar Tree and order items in small bulk. So, if you have a DIY plan, you know how sometimes you can go to the store and never find what you need. So the best thing to do is to go online, DollarTree.com, and majority of everything that they have in the store you can get online. Some pieces you can order in bulk in amounts of 12, 10, and the least is an amount of 4 per item. So I'm going to be ordering some frames for this DIY, and I pick out the frames that I want, and as you can see, some of them have 12, some say 10, and some say 4. So this one right here is the one I'm picking, and this one has 12 units per case, so you would have to buy 12. So of course that would be 12 bucks. So you just go ahead and add it into your cart. So I'm gonna add some other items on here that are not for this project but a future project. And as you can see, this one you have to order 16 pieces. But I also ordered some mirrors, and all I needed to order was 4. So I just went ahead and added everything into my cart and just checked out. And once you're done checking out, Top Cash left me a message basically saying it tracked my order, so I would get 4% cash back on whatever I spent that day before taxes. So I got an email stating that my order was ready to pick up in the store for free pickup, and I went ahead and picked that order up. The next thing I did was I went to Home Depot and I picked up some wood for the bottom part of the table. I picked up 5 of these 2x3s that cost $2.50. Here I'm showing you what not to buy. The first one, you see how it was curved, and this one is a straight piece of wood. So that's what you want to look for when you're looking for your wood. So the next step was just obviously to measure out the wood and table size that we wanted and go ahead and cut it down. We used our Craig kit to Craig the wood together so that it was nice and sturdy. This is what the Craig joints look like. And then we just assembled the table. And this was what it was looking like before we were all the way done. So the next step was I took all my frames, which were 12 frames, and I laid them on a piece of plywood that we had already in our shed and measure out what top size I needed. So also the next step for the table, my husband added these little skinny pieces of wood to the bottom, what will be the bottom part of the table, and we will be adding our shiplap for the bottom of the table. So I got this shiplap a while back in the Coldwood at Home Depot as well for $1. Once it's marked with orange, it means it's $1. So I had that in my shed, and we just cut that to the size of the inside of the table and added a little bit of wood glue before securing them. So this is what the bottom of the table looks like. So the next step was I sanded all the wood down really good, and then I go ahead and start staining it. I used a dark walnut stain. So the next step were to take those 12 frames and just take out only the frame part, and I went ahead and painted it with a white chalk paint that I picked up from Walmart for about $6 to give it that shabby chic kind of, worn look. Also, for the pictures, I have this calendar from Dollar Tree that has, it's obviously 12 pictures, 12 months, and it has all these beautiful images of these flowers. And this is what the top looked like once I assembled it. All I did was add some glue on the bottom of the frame, secure it to the plywood that was on top of the table. And look how gorgeous it turned out. I absolutely love the way this came out. My total cost was under $30 for the wood and the items from the Dollar Tree for the top. So remember, I'm going to leave you guys the link in my description box. Sign up for Top Cash. Once you do whichever offer you would like and you earn $5, you're also going to get a bonus of a $5 sign-on bonus. So the link is going to be in the description bar. Go ahead and click it, check it out, and sign up. And thanks for watching this Dollar Tree DIY. Let me know what you guys think about this DIY. Did you love it? How do you love these flowers? I absolutely love them. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Be sure to share the video, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next DIY.